Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, he, she, they, them, and everyone. Welcome to day 23. Today we get on the boat and try to make it to Santiago. 28-kilometer day after the boat. So thank you for your love, support, and prayers. Thank you for watching, and see you on the way.
Your love is deep, deeper than the ocean, deeper than a heart can know. Your love is high, higher than the heavens, highest are your ways, oh Lord. Still your love carries
Could I believe in what my eyes cannot see? Or has the antidote to brokenness evaded me? Could I believe in what my ears have not heard? Or will the suffering that surrounds me have the final word? Even on the darkest nights I know the sun will rise. I will trust the promise I cannot see with my eyes. Even when the clouds surround, I know the sun still shines. But when will it break through? Jesus, I need you. Touched, or will the weight of disappointment apprehend my trust? Can I believe in what my mind cannot know? Or could the number of the stars contain my fragile hopes? Even on the darkest nights I know the sun will rise. Trust the promise I cannot see with my eyes. Even when the clouds surround, I know the sun still shines. But when will it break through? Jesus, I need you. When will it break?
Now we walk to Patron, and we will see the mooring that Santiago's boat was tied to.
I'll believe in what my eyes can't see, and I will trust you, Lord. I will trust you, Lord.
So this is where the miracle ends. It is told that St. James, his concrete cement boat, this is where it came to rest. And they found his remains and moved them into this cathedral here for safekeeping. And then they were later afraid that his remains would be further stolen. So they moved them to Santiago, where he lays to rest now in a tomb there. But this is where the mooring is, and hopefully we can go in. It looks under construction, but we'll see. Let's go take a look.
Celum aeternam celum, aeternam celum, aeternam celum, aeternam celum, aeternam celum, aeternam celum, aeternam
So that's where Padrone gets its name. Padrone, rock, big rock. Padrone translates into rock. The actual mooring. History scene right up close. Oh, the miracle. I got shivers. My hair's standing up. It was so, what a privilege. I was so happy to see that. Wow. Off to Santiago now. Hopefully we don't get wet. Would make the whole journey without one raindrop on me. Let's check it out. See you in Santiago.
Your grace will be enough when my eyes can't see what you have prepared for me. Your grace will be enough. And strength is rising as I wait patiently. Your words, they comfort me. Strength is rising. Lift up your heads, you weary souls. Our God is not done yet. Our King will come with the morning light, bringing joy to the darkest of night. Carry on, all you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, for the journey is long. At the end of your wanderings, lift your hands and bless the Lord. Carry on, all you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, His strength will still come. At the end of your wanderings, you'll see the grace that He giveth and giveth and giveth again. Your word will be enough when I cannot hear, when I start to fear. Your word will be enough. Your voice will lead me in.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, he, she, they, them, and everyone, Shadow Pilgrim, buddy, Santiago, we meet again. 690 kilometers done. Camino Portuguese.
We made it! We made it! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Good job, buddy. You did it. Give me a big pump. Pump my fist. Boom. Oh, 690 kilometers done. But this isn't the finish. This isn't the done line. I'm gonna be walking to Finisterre. I'm gonna do a separate Camino in a couple days. Take a day off. Take 2 days off actually. Gonna go on a history tour. And then go do the Camino Finisterre. 4 days to the edge of the earth.
Set your face to Zion and see great things has our God yet to bring. Every step I will choose to believe that your promise is unraveling. Set your face to Zion and see great things has our God yet to bring. Every step I will choose to believe that your promise is unraveling. Carry on, all you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, for the journey is long. At the end of your wanderings, lift your hands and bless the Lord. Carry on, all you pilgrims. Don't lose heart, His strength will still come. At the end of your wanderings, you'll see the grace that He giveth and giveth.
Here we go. We started in Lisbon, and I got all my stamps along the way. Every little place I was to. A wax one, and then, ooh, windy up here. Page 2. Ta-da! And then my Compostela, again with my Latin name, Jeremiah, and my official document, 675 official kilometers. So windy up here. And then my brand new one for the Finisterre. Compostela gotten. Now the journey is not complete. I will begin. I'm going to take a couple days off, but I'm going to get back at it. I'm going to do the Camino Finisterre. I'm going to the end of the world. A 4-day Camino. Just can't stop now, right? Got to go right to marker 0. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Camino Finisterre. Finisterre. Who knows how to say it, but I'm going to do it. An easy one. Gentlemen, boys and girls, he, she, they, them, and everyone. We're on vacation.
Yeah, on a bus.
On a bus. We're
To
going
Vigo.
Vigo. Then where? Coimbra.
My city.
I'm going to have a history tour, take some time off, and then head on back to Santiago in a couple days to do another Camino. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to still post videos. You got to see what's going on in Coimbra.
But
okay?
without me.
Oh, you'd be there. You'd
Oh,
be
in
in
Coimbra,
Coimbra, yeah. But we'll see you on the way. Thanks for watching. Love you
Bye-bye.
all. Keep your head up, never down, and always keep smiling.
Hello.
Hello.
So I will taught Jeremy to say a beer and a wine when he's going to Coimbra in Portugal. So if he wants one beer, it's eu quero fino, just one, okay? If it's more than one, it's eu quero dois finos. If it's a bottle of wine, it is eu quero uma garrafa de vinho.
It sounds the same.
If it's a cup of no, not a bottle, a cup of a copa of wine, it is eu quero copo de vinho. If it's red or white, it's eu quero vinho branco ou
Blanco.
ou vermelho. Vermelho não.
Keep going. Keep going. Cerveja.
It's not vinho vermelho. I am lunatic, you know?
Loco.
It's vinho tinto. Tinto is red wine.
Oh, tinto.
Tinto.
Yeah.
Like tinto de verano, you know?
Nope.
That's it.
Cerveja.
Una cerveja, por favor.
Uma cerveja, por favor. Or um fino.
Fino.
Because everyone in Coimbra says um fino.
Fino.
Fino, not vinho.
I missed